Hi, I'm Karen with Marketing Words. I just wanted to take a few minutes to quickly show you how to remove the background of a photo in Canva. And I'm also going to show two different demos for different types of software that you can use that are free. And the reason I'm including those for free is because the background remover in Canva is a pro feature. So if you have a free account, you won't be able to use this first method, but you will be able to use the next two. I chose a photo that I had on my phone because it has fur in it, which normally some background removers will just make it a clean straight line and then it looks like an odd cat. And there are so many different elements in the background that I wanted to give you a really good test to judge by. So if you do have the Canva Pro account, simply click on the photo and go up to the top where it says BG Remover and has the crown. Click it. Woof, done. Sometimes it'll take it 3 or 4 seconds, but this time it did it immediately. And you can still see fur. So the cat still looks fluffy, but all of the background is gone. So that's amazing. If you don't have Canva Pro, let me take you over first to Image Candy. That's imgcandy.com. And they have all sorts of different tools, one of which is a background remover. So we're going to add the files again. And let me find the same kitten photo. You don't have to log in. It's free to use. There's no catch. It does a really decent job on most things, and it has lots and lots of tools that you can use when you're editing graphics and photos. So you can hang on to and bookmark imgcandy.com. This one is much slower than Canva. We're done. This did take quite a bit of time, probably 3 or 4 minutes. So it's a great deal slower than Canva is, or the next option I'm going to show you. You can download it. You can start over. You will also notice that while it did leave the fur intact, there's a table leg here and part of a cat bed here, and it actually tilted it. Now, you can download this and then go back to the tools and rotate an image here, or you could do it in Canva or wherever you wanted to do. But while this one has a lot of awesome tools, I like the next option I'm going to show you even better. Next, let's have a look at Adobe Express, and you can find this. It's a rather long link. I'll leave it down in the comments in the description section, sorry, adobe.com/express. And you simply upload your image just like we've been doing. So over there. It starts immediately. Adobe is very quick. You can watch the progress and ta-da, there it is. And just like Canva, you still can see the fur. It took all the other stuff out of the background, didn't miss a beat. You can download it for free if you want to then go back to Canva and use it in something if you're used to that. Or you can open it in Adobe Express if you want to add content, add a background, put it into some sort of a design if you want to work in Adobe Express. I have not used this a lot. It is similar to Canva, and you could use it in here, or you could download it and then upload it into Canva, whichever you preferred to do. I'm Karen Thackston with Marketing Words. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, please scroll down and leave them in the comments section. Hope you have a great day.